Ever wondered how much money is quietly leaking out of your bank account every single month? When I first sat down to do a deep dive into my finances, I realized that guesstimating my spending was costing me hundreds. I needed a way to see everything in one place without spending hours on a spreadsheet, and that's when I started using Rocket Money. After using it to manage my own expenses, I've found that a few specific features make the monthly review process almost effortless. The first thing I check every month is the recurring tab. This is where the app lists every single subscription and bill it detects. It's a reality check. I use this to spot those ghost subscriptions, the free trials I forgot to cancel or services I haven't touched in weeks. If I see something I don't want, I can use the cancellation concierge to handle the breakup for me, which saves the headache of navigating those hidden cancel buttons. Next, I dive into the spending insights. Instead of just seeing a list of transactions, I get a visual breakdown by category. I always look for the top spending section to see if my dining out or entertainment categories are ballooning. It gives me a clear income versus spending graph that tells me instantly if I'm living within my means or if I need to tighten the belt for the upcoming month. I also rely heavily on the budgeting tool, specifically the left to spend feature. Based on my typical bills and income, the app calculates exactly how much flexible cash I have remaining. During my monthly review, I adjust these categories to reflect my current goals, like if I'm saving for a trip or trying to pay down a specific credit card. It's less about a rigid no and more about seeing the trade-offs in real time. Finally, I always take a look at the net worth tracker. It's incredibly motivating to see the progress beyond just my checking account. By linking my savings, investments, and even my car's value, I can see the big picture. Watching that number tick upward at the end of each month is the best feedback loop I've found for staying disciplined with my spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.